Ingredients: 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 garlic cloves, 10 roasted gram, 1 tomato chopped, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as needed, small ball of tamarind, 2 cups water, a few coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon ghee, half a teaspoon mustard seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, a few curry leaves. Roast and grind the spices. Dry roast black pepper, cumin seeds, garlic, and roasted gram. Grind them to a coarse paste without water. Prepare the tamarind base. Soak the tamarind in warm water and extract the juice. To this, add chopped tomato, turmeric powder, and salt. Add the ground masala. Mix in the ground spice paste and add 1 cup of water. Let this simmer for 5 minutes on low heat. Prepare the tempering. In a small pan, heat ghee. Add mustard seeds, asafoetida, and curry leaves. Once it splutters, pour this into the rasam. Final touch. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with plain rice. Absolutely delicious.